Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Adleena binti Remlan. My matrix number is 01DSB22F1028 and I am from DSB 3A. So for this video, I'll be showing how to do the lawyer building facade for the subject 3D modeling and animation, which the lecturer is point 1 Sharizatul Suraya. So firstly, what you need to have is two images. One is the lawyer building facade image and the second one is the polka dot image. Both of these images you can find on the Google. So next, you need to open Revit and click on the south elevation. So for this part, we will set the levels. So I will be doing the facade for a double-story house. So I will set the first level to 3000mm and the second level to 600mm. So after we've got the levels done, we will then go take the lawyer building facade image and import it to Revit. So now we will need to rescale the image. You can use the shortcut RE to rescale the image. So just click on the bottom of the image and the top to align it to the level that we just created. You must make sure that the image aligns perfectly with the levels. Next, we need to create a wall. So just go to floor plan and create wall on any part of the floor plan. So now we have got our wall. Just move it to the image so that we can align the outline of the wall to the facade. So just move it and make sure that it aligns perfectly. And then we've got our wall. So next, we need to create on our wall to create the facade, the curve shape. So just click on the wall and click edit profile. So to make the curve shape, we will need to use the spline tool. So for this part, you need to click on the straightest point of the shape. And then from there, we just follow along the lines of the curve. To end the shape, you will need to use the line tool so that it will be easier to snap to the end point. So this is how it will look like. So for the second shape, just do the same steps. Click on the straightest point and then just follow along the curve shape. And to finish it, use the line tool to snap it to the end point. And there we've got our second shape. So for the rest of the shapes, just follow the same steps. Use the spline tool, and then to end it, just use the line tool to snap it to end point. Just repeat the same steps, use spline tool, and end it with the line tool. So you might come to a problem where it would say that the lines intersect. So the solution for this is, if it was me, I would just delete the lines that I've done and just create a new one. And this is the final curve of the facade. Just follow along the lines of the curve. And there we've got our facade. So next, what we need to do is we need to click on the wall of the facade, so we need to edit the type. So click on the material. For this material, I will be using concrete. You can use any type of concrete that you want. And the next part is you need to create a glass for the back of the facade. So what we do is edit type. You need to duplicate the wall and rename it as glass. And then go to material. I choose glass part for the material. Make sure to upload the material and then press cutout and choose the polka dot image that we have downloaded previously and just change the brightness. Press apply and then OK. And for the thickness of the glass, I put 30. Next, just create the glass wall. Make sure that it is close to the wall that we for the facade. And here we can see that the glass is higher than the wall, so just adjust the height so it's the same height. And make sure to delete the image that we have imported into Revit. And this is what it will look like in 3D. So if you don't like the color of the polka dot, you can change it. Just press on the glass and edit the type. So this is what it will look like when rendered. This is the back of the facade. And this is what it will look like in a double-story house as the facade of the building. And that is all. Thank you.